Hello from New York City. My name is Celine Olmsted. This evening I'll be taking a flight to Istanbul to join the Silmo Istanbul community. The Silmo Istanbul team and I have organized a great deal of activities and workshops for you all. One of them being on Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. I will be hosting the workshop with Daniel Feldman, the founder of the Optical Journal. We will be focusing on inventory, stock management, seasonal buy, how to review sales data, and interior-exterior display window designs. In addition to that, we have two 2026 eyewear trend presentations. Selam Meçoğlu, the fashion director of Oda Korea, will join me. The first one being on Thursday at 1 p.m. and the second one being on Saturday at 1 p.m. In addition to all these workshops and presentations, I look also forward to be part of the jury for Silmo Istanbul Design Awards. The ceremony will take place on Thursday from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. See you there.